Welcome, seekers of wonder, to another journey into the depth of philosophical thought. Today, let's explore the profound teachings of a Stoic philosopher from ancient Rome, Lucius Annaeus Seneca, on the shortness of life, and take a look at the roadmap his timeless essay on the shortness of life offers us to a well-lived life. So let's delve into his insights and discover how to make the most of our fleeting existence. Seneca begins with a striking observation. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. Think about that for a moment. Our lives in their entirety can seem short because we squander our time on trivialities and distractions. Seneca challenges us to rethink how we spend our days and to recognize the true value of time. Don't you think, in our modern world, this message is more relevant than ever? We often find ourselves trapped by endless streams of information, social media, especially Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and the pursuit of material wealth. Yet, Seneca reminds us that these pursuits can rob us of our most precious resource, time. Seneca advises us to reclaim our time by living intentionally and purposefully. He writes, life is long if you know how to use it. To use our time wisely, we must first identify what truly matters to us. What are the activities and relationships that brings us joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose? By prioritizing these, we can make the most of our days. Still, I would say that you can't just prioritize everything that brings joy to you, as it can include your bad habits too. Now moving on. Seneca also speaks to the importance of self-reflection and mindfulness. He encourages us to hold every hour in your grasp and to be fully present in each moment. In doing so, we become masters of our time rather than its servants. Another powerful concept from Seneca is the idea of practicing voluntary discomfort. By occasionally abstaining from life's luxuries and facing challenges head-on, we cultivate resilience and appreciation for what we have. Seneca believed that facing discomfort willingly prepares us for the inevitable hardship of life and helps us value our time even more. Seneca warns us against the dangers of procrastination. He says, while we wait for life, life passes. Think, how often do we put off our dreams thinking we have all the time in the world? Or how often we delay or postpone the task at hand in thinking of future tasks? Seneca urges us to act now, to seize the day and to live each moment to its fullest. Imagine this hourglass represents your life. Each grain of sand is a moment, a precious, irreplaceable moment. How will you choose to spend it? Will you let it slip away unnoticed or will you make it count? It's up to you. Seneca's teachings reminds us that a meaningful life is not measured by its length, but by the depth and richness of our experiences. It is in the quality of our interactions, the pursuit of knowledge and the act of kindness that we find true fulfillment. Now, let's delve deeper into Seneca's thought on the obstacles that prevents us from living a full life. He identifies three main culprits: the past, the future, and the present distractions. First, the past. Many of us spend an inordinate amount of time dwelling on past mistakes and regrets. Seneca advises against this, saying no one confines unhappiness to the present. He urges us to learn from our past, but not to be shackled by it. The past is immutable. Our focus should be on what we can do now. Second, the future. We often find ourselves anxiously anticipating what is yet to come, worrying about events that may never occur. The Seneca reminds us what is to come hangs in uncertainty. Live now. By fixating too much on the future, we miss the beauty and opportunities of the present moment. Finally, present distractions. In this fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere. Seneca describes how people are preoccupied and thus fail to live fully. He emphasizes the need to be mindful and to guard our time against unnecessary interruptions. Seneca's wisdom challenges us to rise above these obstacles and to live with intention. And he encourages us to cultivate a disciplined mind, to focus on what truly matters, and to embrace each moment with full awareness. As we reflect on Seneca's wisdom, let us commit to living with intention and purpose. Let us cherish each moment, for it is in these moments that the essence of life resides. Remember, life is long if you know how to use it. Thank you for joining me on this discussion through the teachings of Seneca. I believe his words will inspire you to live a life of purpose and fulfillment. So until next time, seek wisdom, live fully, and embrace the shortness of life.